Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a college budget template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in College Budget. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load several templates for college budgets. Let's click on the first one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this template and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different college budget templates. When you find the template that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your college budget template, ready for you to use. Scroll down to enter your money coming in each month. You can enter your living expenses in the Monthly Living Expenses tab, and your school expenses in the Semester School Expenses tab. Your totals will be automatically calculated on the Monthly Income tab. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.